Hello and welcome to Unbox Knowledge channel. Today we travel in the flying taxi. It is Lilium unveils 7-seater flying taxi that is capable of vertical takeoff, and it is designed by Lilium GmbH. This flying taxi is powered by 36 vertical electric motors that produces 320 kilowatts. The engine provides vertical takeoff and then shift forward for horizontal flight. The taxi has a cruise speed of 175 miles per hour at the height of 10,000 feet. Lilium taxi has a range of 300 kilometers with a top speed of 400 kilometers per hour. It has wingspan of 13.9 meters and 8.5 meters long, and it is able to carry maximum takeoff weight of 640 kilograms. It is planned to launch first flight in 2022. Hope you like the information. For more videos, subscribe the channel.